Evaluate 18.99 times 2.5 all over 11 minus 9.8, given the exact value. And so we have to give the exact value of this numerical expression. And so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to concentrate on the numerator, and we're going to multiply the numbers that are in the numerator. So we have 18.99 multiplied by 2.5, and that gives us 47.475. The next thing that we're going to do is that we're going to subtract the numbers that are in the denominator. So we have 11 minus 9.8, and that gives us 1.2. Next, we're going to divide. We're going to say 47.475 divided by 1.2, and that gives us 39.5625. And that is the exact value of this numerical expression. The next question states, round your answer from A to 3 decimal places. And so this is our answer that we got from A, and we have to round this answer to 3 decimal places. 5 is the first number, 5 is the first decimal place, then 6 is the second number behind the decimal, and 2 is the third number behind the decimal. So 5 is the first number behind the decimal, 6 is the second number, and 2 is the third number behind the decimal point. And so we're going to circle 2 and underline the number that's to the right of 2, which is 5. We ask ourselves, is 5 5 or greater than 5? And the answer is yes. And so that means that we're going to round up. So we have to add 1 to 2. So we say 2 plus 1, and 2 plus 1 is definitely 3. And so our answer is 39.563, because this 2, we change it into 3, and we dropped or eliminated this 5. And so our answer here is 39.563. Next, the question states, round your answer from A to 2 significant figures. Now, here we have 39.5625. That is the answer that we got from part A. And they asked us to round this number correct to 2 significant figures. They want us to round our answer to 2 significant figures. And so the first significant figure here is 3. The second significant figure here is 9. The third significant figure here is 5. But they want us to round to 2 significant figures. So the second significant figure here is 9. So we're going to circle 9. Next, we're going to underline the number that is to the right of 9. And so that's going to be 5. And so since it's 5, remember, once it's 5 or more, once it's 5 or greater than 5, we can round up. And so that means that we can round up. So we're going to add 1 to 9. And so 9 plus 1, what is 9 plus 1? Well, 9 plus 1 is 10. And so since 9 plus 1 is 10, this 9 becomes a 0. And we're going to put the 1 on top of the 3. And so it's going to be 3 plus 1. And 3 plus 1 is 4. And so our answer is going to be 40, because this is this 3 plus 1, which becomes 4. And then this 9, remember, it turns into a 0. And we eliminate the decimal, the numbers behind the decimal point. And so our answer is simply 40. And so that means that 39.5625 correct to 2 significant figures is actually 40. And so the answer here is 40.